Hello there and welcome to this video for this 2005 Honda Civic 1.6 Sport. We're going to give you a quick walk around the vehicle, tell you a little bit about it. You can probably tell this car is not in particularly great condition. There's some scratches, some grazes, some minor damage around it that I'm going to point out to you. With all that being said, it is very much priced accordingly and priced to sell. Nice ones can be anything up to £3 grand. This one's 995, so should look good value for somebody, particularly if you're handy at fixing things up. Mechanically it seems okay, drives okay. It's really the cosmetics that let it down. So let's start off by showing you a little bit around it. Let's start the front passenger side corner. There's some damage on the bumper there. Can you see the scuff on the bumper? The front end is quite stone chipped. Lots of small stone chips on the bonnet and the front bumper, which may show up on this video, they may not. We're going to walk around the passenger. Oh, the headlights are a little bit dull and faded. They can be brought back with some wet and dry. Let's walk around the passenger side. Now there's some damage here on the side skirt, pretty much right the way along. Only cosmetic, but a bit of an eyesore. The main panels down this side are okay, just a few minor hedge scratches and what have you. Walking around to the rear bumper, there's a scuff scratch on there. There's a few spots where the lacquer is starting to peel along the edge of this lip here. The lacquer is also peeling on the spoiler, on the tailgate spoiler. Spots of lacquer coming off there. Round to the driver's side rear corner, and again there's some digs, gouges in the bumper just here. Down the driver's side actually looks pretty good. A few minor scratches such as this. Chips, stone chips, minor marks. The alloys are in pretty good shape. I'd expect them to be quite badly corroded by this age, but they're not actually too bad at all. Roof seems okay. Tyres are all pretty good. Has current MOT till April of next year. Let's move on to the interior. It's not a bad nick. Obviously this car hasn't been prepared in any way. It's one of our part exchange cars we're looking to clear. So you see it as it's coming from the last owner. Going to need a damn good clean. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows. Has air conditioning, but the air conditioning's not working. Doesn't blow cold at all. Very, very warm, particularly on a day like today. So there you have it. What an absolute little gem this is. Thanks for watching.